नित्यानंदम। ओम नित्यानंदं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं द्वन्द्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वधी साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं नित्येश्वर परमशिव समारंभां गणपतिगं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनशृण्वन् ऊतिभिः सीदसादनम् ॐ श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजेभिर्वाजिनीवती धीनाम् अवित्र्यवतु सरस्वत्यै नमः। श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम्। श्रीकान्तो मातुलो यस्य जननी सर्वमङ्गला जनकः शङ्करो देवस्तं वन् सर्वतो जयमङ्गलम्। या देवी स्तूयते नित्यं विबुधैर्वेदपारगैः सा मे वसतु जिह्वाग्रे ब्रह्मरूपा सरस्वती। दोर्भिर्युक्ता चतुर्भिः स्फटिकमणिमयीम् अक्षमालां दधाना हस्तेनैकेन पद्मं सितमपि च शुकं पुस्तकं चापरेण भासा कुन्देन्दुशङ्खस्फटिकमणिनिभा भासमाना समाना सा मे वाग्देवतेयं निवसतु वदने सर्वदा सुप्रसन्ना। चतुर्मुखमुखाम्बोजवनहंसवधू मम मानसे रमतां नित्यं सर्वशुक्ला सरस्वती शारदा शारदाम्बोजवदना वदनाम्बुजे सर्वदा सर्वदास्माकं सन्निधिं क्रियात्। Session on Samrajyalakshmi Peethika, the treatise on how a kingdom should be and how by the grace of the Devi Samrajyalakshmi the kingdom runs, functions, and how a king's fort should be built, how they have to be, all the subjects have to be trained in the army, various aspects of running a kingdom as per the words of Paramashiva himself, directly revealed in the Akasha Bhairava Tantra by Paramashiva to Devi Parvati. This Samrajyalakshmi Peethika we have been reading, and we have been getting to know the meanings of the shlokas of this Agama. In the Samrajyalakshmi Peethika, in the Prathama Patala is the first chapter. We are now at the 16th shloka. We have already seen the 15 shlokas and their meanings, and also we have done the Simhavalokana, the revision and the avriti of the 15 shlokas of the Samrajyalakshmi Peethika Prathama Patala. Now we will continue with the rest of the shlokas of the Prathama Patala. In this Prathama Patala, first chapter, as per the request and prayer of Devi Parvati, Paramashiva is explaining the glory, greatness of Samrajyalakshmi. The Samrajyalakshmi's Mahatmyam is being explained here. Please repeat the shlokas twice after they are being chanted. Yasyah kataksha matrena matanga madavihvalaha suvarnakakshagraiveyaha suvarnakakshagraiveyaha संभवन्ति सहस्रशः यस्याः कटाक्षाद्वीरादि Can I have everyone sit straight, drop everything, and please be integrated to the class. Please sit with your head, neck, spine in a straight line and chant as loudly as possible from your navel center. Yasyah katakshadviradi वीरायोधा सहस्रशः संप्राप्य नृपतीन् सम्यक् संप्राप्य नृपतीन् सम्यक् सेवन्ते न्यायवर्तिनः यस्याः कटाक्षमात्रेण हाटकाभरणैर्युताः घोटका नृपगेहेषु संभवन्ति सहस्रशः यस्याः कटाक्षमात्रेण पूर्णेन्दुवदना स्त्रियः सर्वाभरणसंयुक्ता रमयन्ति सहस्रशः यत्कटाक्षैक लक्ष्यस्य नृपतेः पादपङ्कजे नीराजयन्ती मकुट माणिक्यैः शत्रुभूभुजः कृतत्रेताद्वापराख्य युगेषु युगपत्प्रिये मान्धातृ प्रमुखा भूपा रामाद्याश्च महीक्षितः युधिष्ठिरप्रभृतयः नृपाश्चात्यन्त धार्मिकाः यामुपास्य पुरा देवीं साम्राज्यं प्राज्यं साम्राज्यमञ्जसा प्राज्यं साम्राज्यमञ्जसा सम्प्राप्य पालयन् पृथ्वीं पृथ्वीं पृथुललोचने इत्येवं देवी साम्राज्य लक्ष्म्या माहात्म्यमुत्तमम् संक्षेपात्ते निगदितम् किमन्यत् श्रोतुमिच्छसि इत्याकाशभैरवाख्ये महाशैवतन्त्रे इत्याकाशभैरवाख्ये महाशैवतन्त्रे साम्राज्यलक्ष्मीपीठिकायां साम्राज्यलक्ष्मी माहात्म्य कथनं नाम प्रथमः पटलः Now we saw till in the 15th shloka Paramashiva is explaining the greatness, the glory of the Mahatmyam of Samrajya Lakshmi Devi. In the 16th shloka, Paramashiva continues to explain the greatness, the glory of Samrajya Lakshmi Devi. Yasyaha kataksha matrena, by the very kataksha of this Devi, just this kataksha matra means only this kataksha, nothing, no other reason. He's explaining what are all the things that happen just by the kataksha, by the grace of, by the very little grace of Samrajya Lakshmi. And here Paramashiva uses everywhere just kataksha matrena. Matra means, matrena means only. Just only by this kataksha means not because of any other qualification or any other reason. See, if for this class to be heard by all of us, for what I am telling is to be heard by all of us, the only sense that we use just for hearing, I am not saying cognizing, internalizing anything, just for hearing what I am telling, the only organ that is used, the only sense that is used is your auditory sense, your ears only. For that, your eyes or nose or tactual sense, nothing is involved. Like how only with ears we hear, with no other catalyst, with no other intervention by any other punya or any other devata, or by the power of that king, by the other tapashakti of the king, nothing else is involved, just by making themselves a patra, making themselves receptive for the grace of this Devi Samrajya Lakshmi. What all is happening? Paramashiva is telling, just by the grace of this Devi Samrajya Lakshmi, Matanga Mada Vihvalaha Suvarna Kakshagraiveyaha Sambhavanti Sahasrashaha. Thousands of men who are proud of them own selves, who have a high self-esteem, high self-inner image. Matanga means by a deep joy and pride. Matanga, Mada means by that you have a, when you know you are the prince of the avatar himself, when you know the prince of Paramashiva himself, and you are the favorite inheritor of the cosmos, a kind of a pride happens in your being. Like that, the pride happens with that such a high inner image and pride, with so much of gold with them, so much of abundance with them, thousands of people just like that happen. Sambhavanti. Here Paramashiva uses the word Sambhavanti. Wherever he uses the word Sambhavanti, Sambhava means happening, manifestation. Just such powerful human beings are manifested in their kingdom, in his kingdom. Yasyaha katakshat veeradi yodhaha sahasrashaha samprapya nripatin samyak sevante nyayavartinaha. Just by the grace of this Devi, Samrajya Lakshmi, veeradi veeraha, the warriors, the bravest of the braves, warriors, yodhaha means warriors, sahasrashaha in thousands in numbers, samprapya nripatin samyak. So they, such thousands of warriors come to the king, come to the kings and serve the kings very well. Samyak sevante. It's not just 10,000 warriors who are brave warriors who come to a king. If soldiers of an army are so brave, but after joining the army they don't do anything, it is in vain for that whole army. So Paramashiva not only mentions about the happening of brave warriors, brave soldiers, but also they serving the kings. Justice, Nyaya means justice. Nyayavartinaha, well established in the justice. Thousands of